Great that way.
1, 2. I got one head.
And that over.
And now, oh, this.
That has a apron.
Yeah. Need some utensils, is that what you're saying?
Some of these, I guess, the next.
Want to start on my end? I just got to talk with Metropolitan. Good? Yeah. My only thinking would be like we got a lot of traffic in here today. I don't know if we're ready to get this yet.
Okay.
But let's get some screws in there.
You know, we could just dry fit this and you guys do it at another time.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Tom, do you want to fully glue this panel off right now, or? Let's do it. Yeah. All right, Tom likes it.
I got glue, I'll go get some glue.
I bought TV2, I bought TV3, I bought rags, I bought brushes, I got a cup of water.
So I guess do you really think it's necessary to glue this on if we have these bolts? And again, we'll be bolting to the ends. I don't either. It's gonna be rock solid and yeah. And then it'll give us the opportunity to rack it more easily.
Yeah. We need to get tighter than this.
Yeah. So in that case, do you have them tip in pocket screws?
Yeah, but let's not do that until we manipulate,
Oh, yeah.
clamp this on.
Right.
But we will glue this tenon. And, so I don't know, I have cheap type on 3. Do we want to use a slower drying glue, or do you think we can get this in really quick?
I think we can get this in really quick. Okay.
Is that on 3 slower drying?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
We have to do that now, right? Before we glue it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Call?
The floor is done yet?
The floor is down, but there's a rack down in there. So, you know exactly where.